Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today, I wanted to give a quick update on this channel that you see on the screen. That we've been able to build this probably in about a month or so, and you can see the revenue on this channel. So let's see. So at the moment, nothing is it's not doing crazy numbers. As you can see, it's like $20, $50, but our goal on this channel is to bring it to about $100 and then increase from there. Okay, so and you can see we haven't been uploading that much. One on the 8th, 13th, and then we had a day here on the 20th, then 6 days, so at the moment we're doing like probably a video a week. So once we increase the number, the revenue will also increase, and that way we can actually get more views coming on this channel as well. Okay, so the important part about this particular channel is it's the niche is awesome, and it's not saturated, right? You see many people who actually start YouTube automation channel, they jump into a niche which is like super saturated, and it's really hard to get results on those channels. Okay, so that's what I wanted to bring to you, is that the results will only come if you choose. Sorry, my daughter is here. The results will only come once you have the right niche chosen for your particular channel. And then after that, what you need to do is have a right team for your channel. Okay, so if you have those two things dialed in, then you can get more views and more subscribers coming on your channel. Okay, so if you want to know more about niche and channel, and also having a already monetized channel to be able to start a channel and to grow it to whatever amount you want, get in touch with me. Also, I can also give you a few niche that I have in my PDF. I can also provide that to you if you see that you are actually struggling with selecting the right niche, right? So get in touch with me and I'll be able to share everything. Thank you so much.